Oh my god! Oh shit!
Tired? Very tired. Woke up at 3 AM for a 4 AM hike for the sunrise. I'd start screaming and shouting, but it's 4 AM. See how difficult it is. It's called Indian Nose. About 45 minutes now. Absolutely knackered.
Llegamos.
Oh, listo. Llegamos.
A las 15, ¿verdad?
Oh, we've arrived.
Aquí te puedes acomodar donde quieras, hermano.
Oh. Get a room, get a room. Oh, I think it was worth it.
Claro, claro.
Who would have thought Guatemala's so amazing? I think you know what's coming. Extraordinary. Wow, imagine. This is what, 45 minutes or 40 minutes of hiking I'll get you? Don't get me wrong, it's a tough hike, but shit, can't complain. It is absolutely freezing up here though. So, I hiked for 40 minutes here. I can only imagine what bloody Acatenango is like with hiking for 5 hours up there. Yesterday I said, oh, I think it might be easy. Mate, I'm gonna die up there. Well, not die, but I'm gonna struggle to get up there. But seeing people struggling with their breathing, I'm actually okay, and I recover quite quick, which I thought was the opposite. So, we'll see. I don't want to stay in Guatemala for bloody ever, but I want to stay in Guatemala for as long as it takes me to do Acatenango, but there's no availability at the moment, so I might have to do it in about 3 days. But for now, let's enjoy the view, eh? It's fucking wrapped up now, it's freezing. Fucking hell, it's fucking freezing, mate. How many times are we going to show this view? Sit and admire it, eh? Show up.
Yeah, only the yeah, but we leave now.
Yeah, sorry. No, it's okay.
They told me the
British.
Another little adventure, but it's only a mini one today. Vamos. Up there, it's a little one. So I finally booked Acatenango for Sunday, and after that little 45-minute hike the other day, I don't know if I'm ready for it, because I was fucked, and I fell asleep yesterday at 4:30 in the evening. And I woke up about 5 times, but I ended up waking up at 6:30 AM, which is a lot of sleep. I More hiking. Basically hiking. Just walking up a load of stairs. Bloody hell. It's going to be fun trying to vlog Acatenango whilst using 2 kayaking poles, but it's been done before, so I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Made it. It's a tough little walk for that view. I think Guatemala's got my heart, you know. I think it's got my heart. And it's not like, you know, it's cool to say, oh, I love Rio, I love Colombia, I love Medellin, which obviously I do, but I think right now Guatemala's got my heart. It's because of the views. Best views going. Even though the views in Rio are good as well, but Guatemala's like the silent killer.
Dame un pago.
¿Qué es? Adentro.
Restaurante.
Oh, this is pineapple with chocolate. The hell's that? It's alright, this. Chocolate covered pineapple and steady. Can't complain. Not the best chocolate, but it's pineapple in it.
Eight hours later.
Yeah, I'm a bit ignorant to this. What the hell's going on? ¿Cómo se llama?
Procesión.
La procesión de la Semana Santa. La Semana Santa. ¿Y qué significa?
Semana Santa. Significa que es la semana en que Cristo murió. Jesucristo murió.
Oh, okay. I don't know what they're burning. I don't know what's burning in the street, what they're holding, but it absolutely stinks. My word.
Pasado el día de celebración. Pasado mañana porque es el día que Jesús resucita, el domingo. El domingo es día de fiesta.
7 hours later.
Una más y decimos Acatenango. Eso, ¿listo, chicos?
So it's bloody time. Time for the hike. The big boy.
Readiest I'll ever be.
Can't see it, but
Yeah.
oh shit. Don't know why my heart's beating. I'm bloody babbing it, man. Ah, shitting myself. In the hiking poles. Got me all-in-one trainers. Don't know why I'm nervous for a walk. Yeah, my cheeks are flapping.
I hope they fly, yeah.
Letting them go now, letting them rip. About 5-10 minutes in. You know, struggling already. Psych. Wow. Oh, got the front, but I'm gonna have to wait for my mate. Waiting for my mate. Buenas. Here she is. It's crazy one said, oh, I'll climb Acatenango with you. She's done it before. She's done it before, so she's like, yeah, I'll do it. But even though last time she climbed it, she said, I'm never going to climb it again, a few years ago. And then, come on, speed up you. You tired? ¿Estás cansada? Sí. ¿Tienes sueño? So when they said the first hour or 25 minutes is going to be hard, mate, awful. Absolutely awful. It's steep. I can't explain to you how steep it is. But off we pop. No turning back now. Yeah. Some hard work this. Got a rest here. But shit, that first 25 minutes might be the hardest thing I've ever done. Look at this beard. I started this holiday with no beard and now I'm like a fucking mountain goat. Hello. Yeah, that first 25 minutes was awful, man. Shit. But they said the first hour's the worst one. So, see what, 5 hours left. Up, going, 5 hours going up. Yeah, I think it's a 36-hour hike in total, but yeah, 5 hours left of climbing. So, we'll see. It's all good, eh? Yeah. Oh, shit. Second checkpoint. And constant incline. But yeah, there's a lot of people with us. And you know, if I see someone doing it, then that means I'm definitely not turning around, even though it is difficult. It's a random fire. But yeah, fucked. Whew. Don't know how long, I think about an hour and a half we've been hiking, so about 3.5 to go, maybe 4.5, 4 hours to go. Oh, great. How steep it is. Oh, look at this. All the ways like this. It's all fun and games. ¿Cuántas veces?
3 veces por semana.
Mate, 3 times a week. Oh no. Yeah, these lot are different here. Absolutely. Like Sherpas. Bloody hell. All I need now is some music. Whew. So I just nearly slipped. It felt like there was a wall behind me. There's this strong man here. Bloody hell, I've never felt such strength from a small man. I think we're already above the clouds. But seeing so many people walking up and down, yeah, it's definitely doable. Jeez. I'm basically climbing now. This is tough. ¿Qué tal? I just finished there. I think at the 3rd checkpoint, by far that was the hardest part. Shit. When you're doing these, it's so difficult, but after you get like a euphoric feeling. Ooh. A random swing there. Yeah, when you sit down, it's like euphoria, isn't it? When you sit down, it's like euphoria. Like, feel happy, but yeah. Getting a vlog going on. Max, Ziv, or Zav or Ziv? Zav. Sounds better, doesn't it? Right. I can officially say this is probably the hardest thing I've done. Not even there yet. Still an hour and a half or 2 hours of hiking, I think. But shit. No, we're definitely above the clouds. Yeah, brutal that. Brutal hike. It's just bloody constant. Yeah, you can't really see how far that is, but there's a lot to go. I'm trying to eat anything right now. I fucking eat sticks compared to leaves. Oh, ¿cómo estás?
Me duelen los pies.
¿Los pies?
Sí.
¿Por qué sus zapatos?
No, por tanto caminar.
Mm-hmm. Me too, love, me too. Tengo sueño. Chicle, sí. Gracias. Oh, no. Solo uno, dos. Can I just give me about 9? Ya, está bien. Gracias. Oh. I think we made it. Oh, jeez. That was tough. Long, constant incline. Apart from the last bit kind of flat. But we're literally in the clouds. Wow. And it's freezing up here.
2 hours later.
So I just left the room. Just left my little cabin to to go for a wee, and I think this is the bathroom. Let's see. Oh, amazing. Right. Nice. That is stunning. I mean, at least you don't have to leave the toilet seat up to pee. It looks like it's some sort of dust. I'll let you scoop it out. I won't be touching anything. I'll be shitting in the woods. I'm not sitting down on that. All that doing. Stunning. Don't have to appreciate me filming the toilet, but stunning. So, good option for the optional Fuego hike, but I really don't think there's any point because you can't see anything. It's just clouds. Yeah. So there's two things that could have been better about this. Is clearer weather with sun and a active volcano, because apparently it's been dormant for 2 months now, so there's no explosions.
Yeah. See, ours is like, well, ours is of course such a, yeah, you guys do everything.
So it's actually cleared up.
That's what I mean. Exactly.
That's cool.
I decided to do that for years because I was like, I want to travel, I want to bring it.
Un momento.
Oh, I know.
In the way. It's definitely the most difficult one. I think that's why it's optional. Oh. Here we are.
Bien chicos, volcán Acatenango, Nuestro campamento base está justo
And
allá.
camp. It's somewhere over there. I can see it with my eyes, but camera can't capture it. But yeah, tough hike.
Seguimos este ritmo, somos los primeros
Camp,
en
yeah.
llegar arriba.
Tough. It's going to be tough on the way up there.
Necesario, porque
But yeah. Shit. It's brutal. Made it. Oh, now the clouds would start. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's another. Oh, there's loads of groups, isn't there?
Yeah. There's at least one other big one coming down.
Yeah. Mate, I'm buzzing. What the hell? It's weird, like the weather's not the best, but the sense of achievement, yeah, man. Because that was very hard, extremely hard. Jesus. Above the clouds. Acatenango. My first ever hike. Yeah, I think it might be a stupid idea, to be fair, because definitely throw myself into the deep end with this. And now I've got to make it back to base camp, which is fucking miles away. But it's all worth it. Yeah. Even if the view was shit, I think the sense of achievement would make it worth it. So yeah, I'm buzzing. Wouldn't want to fall down there though. Oh my god. Falling into the clouds. Oh. This is some crazy shit. Really above the clouds. And I'm in a vest, but because the hike is so strenuous, it's freezing up here, but like, I'm sweating. And he's, well, you can't see him, he's bloody naked. Oh, who would have thought, yeah? On my own, on my Todd, on top of a volcano in bloody Guatemala. Guatemala's got my heart. Yeah. We'll see when we go to Colombia. Colombia might still have my heart, but for now, I think Guatemala's got my heart. Buzzing, man. It's turned me into a mountain goat. Even grown a beard. Voila. Yeah. Alright, I'm not going to bore you now, telling you how happy I am. But fucking hell. Oh, it's time to piss it down. Oh shit.
Get all the dust that way, but
Now it is officially rammed. There's fucking hundreds of people up here now. At least 100. It don't look like it, but there is.
I mean, I'm going to say punch right here. Oh, that's cute. Get one with Acatenango in it.
Pero a mediados del mes de febrero se durmió y se despertó el 9 de marzo. Hizo un día
Big one now.
Muy bien, eres
Big hike, long hike. Vamos a la playa. El Paredon. Vamos. I think I've adopted this look. With this hat backwards and the shades on. But it's because I look rough as shit. Look at my beard, man. Not like I don't shower. I do shower, but like I can't be asked to bloody doing my hair and stuff, so I'm straight out. But here we are. I don't know about the black sand or the brown sand, but beach is a beach, innit? And it's warm as shit. Apparently last week, well, La Semana Santa, is that what it's called? Semana Santa. It was, this was absolutely heaving. Yes, La Semana Santa. It's like, well, they must have had holidays last week. So this place would have been absolutely packed. And now it's empty and it's full of gringos like myself. So I'll take it. The sand is dark, the water is warm, and the waves are massive. This is like the weirdest beach I've ever been to. What the hell? Ah! My f***ing legs are hurting from Acatenango. Both knees are shattered. Oh! You know, I thought I did something wrong the way the ocean just slapped my back. Thought I was back in school, man. Oh shit. I think this dog wants to come and try save me. Yeah, it does. It actually does. He's thinking I'm in trouble. Oh my god, look at the size of this. Look at the size of this. Oh shit. Oh! I swear to you, I've been to a lot of beaches in my time. This is the weirdest beach I've ever been to. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. It's just, you've ruined my day now. You've ruined my holiday. The size of it. These waves, they don't look that big, these waves, but this guy nearly drowned. And the lifeguard just had to come and save someone on the surfboard. I thought, fucking hell, that guy's good at surfing. He's proper going fast into the water, but he was literally going to save someone. I was there like smiling, like, oh, bloody hell. Yeah, oh, I shouldn't be filming him, to be fair. He's finito. Looks like he's proper fucked. Oh, I feel bad. I'm still gonna post it though. Sí, ya te dije.
¿Qué?
Él.
¿Está aprendiendo?
Sí, sufriendo.
Sí, mira.
Oh.